In today's video, we will talk about how to find the center and radius of a circle by comparing it with the general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Then the center of the circle will be given by minus g minus f, and the radius of the circle can be calculated by taking the square root of g square plus f square minus c. So now let's make it more clear by doing some sums. The first one is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y plus 4. Now let's compare this with the general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Now let's take the value of 2g is equals to 6. Therefore, the value of g will be 3. Now the value of f, 2f is equals to minus 4. Thus the value of f will become minus 2. And the value of c here is 4. So it is 4. So our center of the circle will be minus g minus f, and that will be minus 3 and 2, because minus minus will become plus. So the center is minus 3, 2. Let's calculate the radius now. The radius is given by g square plus f square minus c. So the value of g is 3, 3 3s are 9. Minus minus will become plus, therefore f is minus 2, 2 2, 4, and the value of c is 4. So we get root 9, and root 9 is 3. So the radius of the circle is 3 units. Let's take another sum. X square plus y square minus 8x plus 4y plus 11 equals 0. By comparing it with the general equation 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0, 2g is equals to minus 8. Thus, the value of g will be minus 4. The value of f will be 2f is equals to 4. Therefore, f is equals to 2. And the value of c is 11. So the center here will be minus g minus f, that is equals to 4 and minus 2. Let's find out the radius now. So the radius will be g square plus f square minus c. So g square here is 416, f will be 4, and c is 11, so minus 11. So here it will be 20 minus 11 root 9. Thus our radius is 3 units. Let's move to the next sum. That is 2x square plus 2y square plus 3x plus 2y plus 1 equals 0. If we compare this equation with our general equation, 2fy plus c equals 0. So what we have to do with the equation is divide the whole equation by 2. So we get x square plus y square plus 3 by 2x plus y plus 1 by 2 equals 0. Now let's calculate the values for g. So 2g is equals to 3 by 2. So g will become 3 by 4. Now the value for f, 2f is equals to 1. Therefore, f will be 1 by 2. And here the value of c is 1 by 2. We are getting this from this equation. Okay, so the center will become, center is minus g minus f, and here minus g minus 3 by 4, and minus f is minus 1 by 2. So this is our center. Let's calculate the radius now. The radius is what? F square plus g square minus c. So f square is 3 by 4, the whole square means 9 by 16, plus g square means 1 by 4 minus c means 1 by 2. So by taking the LCM, and we will get 136. Let's take 36 plus 16 over 64 minus 1 by 2. You can take it by taking the LCM also. And here we will get 104 minus 64, and 64 into 2 is 128. And this will be 40 by 128. And thus we will get 5 by 16, and it will be root 5 by 4. So our radius will be root 5 by 4 units. Let's move on to the next sum. Here it is x square plus y square plus x is equals to 0. Now compare this with our general form of equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So the value of g, 2g is equals to 1. So g is equals to 1 by 2. Now let's take the value of f. Now is there any value for f? 0. So f will be 0. In the same way, the value of c is 0. So the center will become minus g minus f, that is minus 1 by 2, and f is 0. So the center is minus 1 by 2, 0. Let's calculate the radius now. So g square plus f square minus c. And what is g? G is 1 by 2, that means 1 by 4, plus 0 minus 0, and that will be 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So the radius is 1 by 2 units. Let's see the next sum. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 10y minus 7. Now compare this with your general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Therefore, 2g is equals to 4, g is equals to 2. 2f is equals to minus 10, therefore f is equals to minus 5. And the value of c is minus 7. So the center is given by minus g minus f. Therefore, minus g is minus 2. Minus f is minus, minus will become plus. Hence, the center is minus 2 and 5. Let's calculate the radius now. So that is g square root of g square plus f square minus c. So the g square here is 2, 2 are 4, plus f square is minus 5. So 5 is 25. And minus c is minus 7. So minus minus will become plus. So here it is 7. So here it is 36. And the square root of 36? 6. So our radius is 6 units. Let's do one more sum to make it more clear for more practice. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96. compare this with the general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Therefore, the value of g is 2g is equals to 6 and g is equals to 3. And then the for value of f to f is equals to 8 and f is equals to 4. And the value of c is minus 96. So, center for this circle is minus g minus f, and that is minus 3 minus 4. Let's find the radius of the circle, that is minus g square plus f square minus c, square root of this. So, the g square, square root of g square is 3, f 4, 16, minus will become plus, and that is 96. And we get the square root of 121, and that is 11 units. Hope it's clear how to find the center and radius by comparing it with the general equation of the circle. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, do share, like and subscribe.